In this video, I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to create a mini course using Kajabi. Creating a mini course can help you build credibility in your niche and also can help you drive qualified leads to your comprehensive programs or paid programs. You can also use your mini course as a lead magnet for your email marketing campaigns, which can be used as funnels to drive qualified leads and convert them to paying clients. To create mini courses, I would recommend Kajabi as a business tool because you can use Kajabi as an all-in-one platform. And you can use Kajabi to create online courses, you can create podcasts, you can create community, you can create coaching programs, and you can send email marketing campaigns, and you can also build websites and funnels using Kajabi. So it's very functional as a business tool, and I would definitely recommend it. And so if you don't have Kajabi right now, you can use my affiliate link down below and you will get 30-day trial to test out Kajabi. And usually on Kajabi website, you will only get 14-day trial. Here is a disclaimer. The link down below is my affiliate link with Kajabi. That means if you stay with Kajabi after the trial period and if you pay Kajabi to use for your business, then I will get a small cut out of your subscription pay, and it won't cost you anything additional other than the subscription cost, and that would be a huge support for me and for my channel to create educational content just like this. So if you use my link, thank you. If you don't, that's totally fine, and we will meet you at the Kajabi dashboard. Now we are on Kajabi website and this is the dashboard. And now we're going to start creating mini courses. So we're going to go to products, and after that I'm going to click courses and I'll click get started. And here there are 4 options to choose from. You can create course, podcast, community, and coaching. But since we are creating mini course, I'm going to click course option and click get started. Here I'm going to create like a title named Simple Mini Course. But of course, if you have a course idea, you can name the title here, and then you can type in your description. Let's say, how about title weight loss program, let's say, and then for description, lose 20 pounds in 30 days. And so once you have descriptions and titles set up, then you can click continue. And after that, you will see online course, blank course, drip courses, and membership section. But right now I'm going to click online course option because choosing this option will help you with the pre-set up modules and course lessons, so it will give you a general idea. But if you don't want pre-made templates, then you can go with the blank courses. But for this tutorial, I will be choosing online course option, so I'm going to choose this and click continue. Here in this step, you can add a cover image about your course, and you can let audience know or your customers know what your course is about. But if you don't have a course image right now, that's totally fine because you can add that image later on. So I'm going to proceed without adding any images. Continue. In this step, you are going to set a price tag for your course. So there are 2 options, and it's either paid or free. And if you're launching a paid program, then you will choose paid option. And if you're giving this course as a free option or freebie, then you will choose the free version. So for paid version, you can choose multiple payment options. So one-time payment, multiple payment, or subscriptions, or one-time, which we are on this option right now. And let's say set a price tag, like let's say $97. After setting the price tag, you need to add the payment providers. And since I have already added a payment provider with Stripe on Kajabi, so I can choose this to receive payments. And you can also add PayPal option if you want to. But now I'm going to create a free course for this, so I'm not going to set any prices right now, and I'm going to choose free so that I'm going to create this course and give it out as a freebie to my targeted customers. And now I'm going to click Save and Finish. Alright, so now it's building your product and adding finishing touches, and voila, so done. So right now this is the structure of the course that is already made. So it's like their pre-made template. And now what you see are like the chapters of a book, but in Kajabi they are called modules, and if you expand it out, you can see the sub-lessons that are under this particular modules. So for course introduction, there are 3 video lessons or lessons that you can add. You can also add videos, audios, or assessments, and then you can add descriptions here if you want to. And you can also add your download file like PDF files or other type of files that your customers can download once they land on this particular module or particular lesson. And after that, you can choose either draft or publish. So if it is published, then obviously your customers can see this particular lesson or module. And so I'm going to go back to dashboard. So now I don't want to use these modules and I want to create my own modules. What you can do is you can click add content, and then I'm going to click module. So click module, and then let's say the first chapter is about mindset. For description, I'm going to put like setting. After that, if you have images, you can add that image for a particular module. And then after that, you can click create module. So now I have created a module called mindset, and I'm going to drag and drop to the very top. So I'm going to check this 2-line button, click it, and then drag it all the way up. So now I have this module called mindset at the very top, and I'm going to add some content under that module. So what I can do is I can click add content, and then I can click lessons. So after that, I'm going to choose, let's say, weight loss misconception. And then that title or that lesson is underneath the module called mindset. So this weight loss misconception lesson is underneath the mindset module, and it looks right to me. So I'm going to click create lesson. So right now this lesson called weight loss misconception fall underneath the mindset module. And if you want to publish it, you can choose this toggle right here and then click publish. So now it's available for your customers to view these lessons. And these modules are pre-made templates, and I don't want my audience to see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click draft. And so once I click draft, it's not going to be visible for my customers. And so I'm going to click draft again. And then for this chapter, I'm going to click draft again. So right now, what they are going to see is this mindset module. And you can also add video from your folder, and you can either add a single video or multiple videos at the same time. So right now I'm going to upload multiple videos. So I'm going to click add content, and after that click upload multiple videos. And now I'm going to choose from my device, and then from my desktop I'm going to choose from my YouTube videos, let's say, and then I'm going to choose ledger videos. So let's say how to send this, and then from wallets. Okay, I have 3 videos about ledger, and I'm going to add that to my Kajabi course. So after I selected the videos, I'm going to click open. So right now I have 3 videos uploading for ledger videos. Once it's done, I'm going to create a modules, and I think it's going to be created by itself, and I'm going to name it as ledger tutorial. Alright, so now we have uploaded 3 videos for my modules, and right now it shows upload March 7, 2023, and I have 3 videos that I posted right now, and I'm going to change file name and then change it to ledger tutorial. So I'm going to set the title and then descriptions, but for description it's optional, but it's better if you have it so that your customers or your students know what your module is about. And you can add image to your modules so that your audience or your customers know what your module is about But if you don't have an image right now for your module, then you can add it later on. And then I'm going to click Save Module. So right now this module has been set up, and I'm going to drag it to the second chapter position. And so I'm going to drag it, and then let's say I'm going to drag it right here. It falls right underneath mindset. That becomes like a sub module, but this is not what we wanted. So I'm going to drag it out, put it somewhere. So obviously it's under course introduction, and I'm going to move it out separately. So drag it out and then and place it somewhere else. And now right here, if I close this, now ledger tutorials is already separated and it's a module itself, and I'm going to click publish. So right now we have two modules published, and these are already drafted. So right now, since I don't need these modules, I'm going to delete them. So click delete. So now you have deleted one module, and you will do the same thing for other modules as well. So they will be deleted. So it says modules with publish cannot be deleted. So actually I have to delete the lessons first. So I'm going to delete each lesson individually, and now they are deleted. And after deleting the lessons, you can delete the entire module. So that's how you would do it. So now you're only left with course introduction. So let's say delete it. So now that module is successfully deleted. So that's how you would do it. First of all, you would delete the lessons, and then you can delete the module. So that's how the course structure works with Kajabi. And now I'm going to go to customize. So right now this theme is the default theme. So if you see this theme, it's very common with a lot of course creators, and they use this theme quite a lot. So if you want to stand out with your course, then you can use a different theme. So I'm going to click install template. And here I love this theme called Momentum. So I'm going to show you what it's like. I love this theme because all your content, topics, lessons fall right underneath this white section, and it is very easy to navigate around, and you can see like categories, announcement, and it's very convenient. So I'm going to go back and choose this theme. So I'm going to click it and then click install template. So right now it's being installed, and here I will see this install template, and here we have this momentum theme. And now I'm going to set this as default by activating it. And now I will have momentum theme for my weight loss program. So if you want to customize your course, then you can click customize, and you can change around, and you can set up different theme or like different colors and fonts by going to navigation or welcome screen. And you can also go to color scheme if you want to change some colors. If I choose a red, let's see what it looks like. So now we have a red theme, but if you want to change, you can change and play around with the colors. And let's click, for example, purple. So instead of blue, the lines become purple now. So you can play around with the colors and other navigation bar and all that stuff. After some changes are made, make sure you click save button, otherwise your settings will not be saved. Alright, so for my course that I just uploaded, I forgot to turn the publish on. So let's try publishing those videos, those 3 videos that I just uploaded. And now let's check the preview section and see what my course will look like to my students. So I'm going to click this preview button, and now we have 3 tutorials that I posted, and also this weight loss misconceptions under the mindset modules. So basically right now we have 2 modules. So I'm going to click ledger tutorials, and I'm going to click the first lesson. You can click it either here or you can click it here. And now I can start playing my tutorial videos and all that stuff. And if I upload any documents like PDF files, like resources and guides, cheat sheets, there will be like a download button right here, which you can download it. But since I did not upload any documents, it doesn't show anything. And for this momentum theme, it's easy to navigate around on the left side of this bar. So I love this momentum, and if I create a new course on Kajabi, I would definitely choose momentum theme. But if you are new on Kajabi, I would recommend you to try out multiple themes that are available for you and see what it fits with your business needs. That's a wrap for now. I hope you get a ton of value out of this video, and by now you learn how to create a course with Kajabi. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like down below and also subscribe my channel for more educational videos or tutorial videos just like this. I make videos on personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle videos. So if one of those topics interests you, please subscribe my channel so that you get updates whenever I upload new videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.